Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Let's learn colors name. Dark blue color, pink color, black color, green color, sky blue color, light pink color, brown color, orange color, violet color. Now let's learn alphabets. A, small letter A. B, small letter B. A for aeroplane, B for banana. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for gold. H for house. I for insects. J for jug. K for king. L for lion. M for monkey. N for net. O for orange. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for students. T for teacher. U for union. V for violin. W for widow. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zinc. Now let's revise again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye. See you in my next video.